Pingu shouts, "Noop, noop, hey!" He's ready for a snowy day. He makes a snowball big and round and rolls it laughing on the ground. He builds a snowman hat and broom, then slides back home with a happy zoom. If you hear a trumpet sound so cute, that's just Pingu saying noot noot. Pingu puts on his red backpack, snowy map and yummy snack. He climbs the hill so white and tall, and waves hello to friends and all. He finds a fish all shiny and blue, says, "This is treasure just for you." He shares with family full of cheer. Adventure time is best all year. Pingu starts to dance and hop. He twirls around, he won't stop. He shakes his wings, he spins